Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and these guys just love their dried mealworms from Hatortempt. And I love that we don't have to store or touch live mealworms. You can see how excited they are, and these little floofs in the background want to make sure that they're not missing out on their treats too. Even our skittish birds are really excited to come and get their snacks, including the ducks. They want to make sure that they don't miss out on snack time. And we've found that these dried mealworms from Hatortempt are a great incentive to get your birds to hand feed and bond with them. Even our little skittish hens are excited to come up and get some. And happy birds make happy eggs. Lots and lots of happy eggs. Our birds give us these beautiful eggs, and we're so happy to be able to give them dry mealworms as a delicious snack for them. And the resealable bag is great, not only to keep the mealworms fresh, but also keep them safe from these birds that are constantly stocking the bag because they can't wait to get their next snack. So no matter what kind of bird you have, they are going to be very happy with these dried mealworms from Hatortempt. And that is their and my point of view.